Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to make a roux, and if you don't know what that is, it's a combination of fat and flour. And I'm using margarine here. If you have butter, that's fine too. Just get her melted here, which I cut it up in little bitty pieces where it would go quicker. You can tell it's doing pretty good over here. And this is 2 tablespoons of margarine here. And you use 2 tablespoons of flour too. Equal mixtures of fat and flour. Wonderful thing. And I can't really describe how this, well, you can't smell it, but it smells wonderful already. After I get this melted, I'm going to cut this video off where it doesn't cut off on its own. I don't know how long I'll be able to record this time, because this thing cuts off on its own. Okay, this is almost melted. Okay, that's melted. Now I'm going to cut that off.